This has been a really hard day. Thought I was getting better, but these just keep coming. I was feeling better. I went out last night and I got a little bit wet, a little overheated, and I think my cold kicked back in. Last night I was up every half an hour to blow. And then I'd sneeze, and I found myself waking myself up, sneezing all that, coughing a little bit. Achoo! Coughing. And it's just really hard because I can't seem to stop sneezing today. I got a lot of tissues and some more NyQuil, but seems to keep nothing for the daytime. I hate the daytime stuff, and the nighttime stuff just knocks me out. Summer cold really suck. It's beautiful, like 80 degrees outside. And I've got a big red nose. And it's all stuffed up like a tomato. And I sound like a 9-year-old here with my nose. I don't know about you, but when you get colds, you always sound like this, because I do. I always get completely. Completely plugged shut, where both nostrils are like both sides. I could stop sneezing. Just want to get home and get to bed. Achoo! 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 Anyway, I'm gonna pull up here, put something on my nose, get really sure. See if I can use my Vicks inhaler. Problem is that it just makes me sneeze whenever I do it, but it does clear. Oh, that was gross. Please. Gotta clear some air. Clear some air out of here. work. Anyway, have a good day. And if anybody has an idea for a way to clear your throats, let me know.